You'll be hard-pressed to find a cleaner 2009 Altima 2.5S than this outstanding cream puff. Standard features include remote power door locks, power windows with 1-touch CVT transmission, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, multi-function remote trunk hatch door, 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, head airbags, curtain first and second row passenger airbag, power mirrors, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, 2 doors, front wheel drive, fuel economy, EPA highway MPG 31 and EPA city MPG 23, tachometer, external temperature display, interior air filtration, overhead console, mini with storage, front seat type, bucket, rear bench seats, intermittent window wipers, privacy, tinted glass, speed sensitive window wipers, trip computer.